For this tutorial, we will be using the Wild Thang DIY Balloon Garland box from Fettifest.com. This garland features metallic fuchsia and black latex balloons, as well as 3 leopard print foils. Wild Thang is one of our easiest balloon garlands to assemble, so let's get started. As always, if this is your first balloon garland, make sure to begin with our general tips and tricks video for time-saving tips and installation instructions. Let's start by inflating your balloons. As you inflate the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons, tie into pairs as you go. Make sure to tie light-colored balloons together. Once all of your balloons are in pairs, take 2 pairs that are the same size and color and twist them together at the knots to make a cluster of 4 called a quad. Repeat this step until all the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons are in quads. Now take your 5-inch quads and tie them into pairs using one of the included string balloons. We will add these to our garland once we have it attached to the wall. Inflate the 3 leopard print foils and tie an empty string balloon to the necks. We will attach them once we have the bulk of the garland in place. Now let's put it all together. Tie one of the included string balloons to your first 12-inch quad with a simple knot. Place the second quad on top of the first and wrap the string balloon around 2 of the balloons in the second quad in a figure 8. Repeat this step for all of the 12-inch quads, tying on additional string balloons when needed. I like to alternate by doing 4 quads of pink and then 4 quads of black, but you can add the quads in whatever order you think looks best. Once you have assembled the main part of the garland, it is a great time to attach to the wall. Attach the leopard foils to the garland by wrapping the tail of the string balloon around the nearest 12-inch balloon knot cluster. Make sure to spread these out by putting one near the top, one towards the middle, and one near the bottom.